In this video we are going to talk about the best heavy-duty welding helmet in this year, which is 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Welding is a critical process that requires utmost precision and safety precautions. As welders face various hazards, including intense light, sparks, and harmful fumes, investing in high-quality personal protective equipment, PPE, is essential. The 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet stands out as a reliable and advanced solution designed to provide welders with optimal protection, comfort, and visibility. In this article, we will explore the features and benefits of the 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet and its contribution to enhancing welding efficiency and safety. Advanced optics for enhanced visibility. One of the standout features of the 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet is its advanced optics, which ensure exceptional visibility during welding operations. The helmet is equipped with a large, high-definition viewing area that offers an expansive field of vision, allowing welders to accurately see their workpiece and surroundings. The clarity and color contrast provided by the helmet's optics enable welders to detect fine details, weld seams, and joint alignment with ease, resulting in precise and high-quality welds. Superior eye and face protection. The 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet prioritizes the safety of welders by offering superior eye and face protection. The helmet features a sturdy shell made from high-impact resistant materials that can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty welding environments. It provides reliable protection against sparks, hot metal debris, and UV/IR radiation emitted during the welding process. The helmet's flame retardant properties offer an additional layer of safety, reducing the risk of potential burn injuries. Comfort and customization. Welders often spend long hours working in their helmets, making comfort a crucial factor in their choice of PPE. The 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet is designed with welder comfort in mind. It features an ergonomic and lightweight design, minimizing strain on the neck and reducing fatigue. The adjustable headgear ensures a secure and personalized fit, allowing welders to work comfortably for extended periods. Furthermore, the helmet incorporates innovative airflow technology to enhance breathability. The strategically placed vents help reduce heat buildup inside the helmet, ensuring a cooler and more comfortable welding experience. Welders can focus on their work without distractions, enhancing productivity and overall job satisfaction. Versatility and durability. The 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet is built to withstand the harshest welding environments, making it an ideal choice for heavy-duty applications. It is designed to resist impact, sparks, and heat, ensuring long-lasting durability. The helmet's rugged construction and robust materials provide reliable protection in various welding processes, such as stick welding, MIG welding, and TIG welding. Additionally, the helmet's modular design allows for easy replacement and customization of components. Welders can quickly swap out parts, such as the outer shield or inner lenses, to maintain optimal performance and prolong the lifespan of the helmet. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.